Research shows that most people are significantly more compassionate to others than they are to themselves. In fact, some people report that it feels unnatural to be self-compassionate. And that's because in certain ways it is. So we evolved to respond to personal threats with the threat defense response. Our sympathetic nervous system gets activated, our cortisol gets elevated, and we get ready for fight, flight, or freeze. And of course, when the problem or the threat is ourselves, maybe we've made a mistake or we just feel really challenged, we turn the threat defense response inward. We fight ourselves with criticism, we flee into a sense of shame and isolation, and we freeze and ruminate. So this is natural, it's just a safety behavior. So evolution designed a second safety system for other people, and that's the care response, or sometimes called the tend and befriend response. So evolution wanted our close others to survive because, of course, if they survive, we're more likely to survive also. So this is equally natural for others. Our parasympathetic nervous system gets activated when we care for others. Our adrenaline and cortisol levels go down. We release hormones like oxytocin. Our heart rate variability increases. And when we care for others, it's another way we feel safe when we feel that bond between ourselves and others. So self-compassion in some ways is not totally natural because we're using the care system, which evolved for others, and using it for ourselves instead of the threat system. The good news is we can hack the system and learn to respond in a new way, in part through a physical touch by working with our physiology. So physical touch evolved as a signal of care to human beings at the pre-verbal level, right? So parents know how to communicate to their infants, I care for you, I'm here for you, you're safe, before those infants have any language. So this is built into our physiology. So when we give ourselves caring touch, supportive touch, compassionate touch, our body responds physiologically, right? We go into parasympathetic mode, we increase heart rate variability, cortisol goes down, and the body doesn't really know the difference between self-touch and the touch of another. Research shows this. So I'd really recommend that you find some sort of physical touch to use when you feel you need some self-compassion. This might be hands on your heart, giving yourself a hug, hands on your face, some sort of supportive gesture where you're literally holding your own body. Because even if your mind can't exactly go there in the moment, you can use your body to tap into the care system, and that's going to help you calm down, help you feel safe, help you feel cared for, again at the pre-verbal level. And then after that, it's a lot easier to be self-compassionate. So, hope you give it a try. Thanks so much.